wheel, ada banyak jenis material. Dan kenapa wheel Bugatti dan Lamborghini boleh lagi mahal daripada X70? Hai, nama saya Fazlul Azim. Hari ini kita akan bincangkan apa itu wheel dan apa perbezaannya. Wheel adalah pinggir luar untuk memegang tayar. Kalau nak cerita pasal wheel forge ini jauh lebih baik berbanding spok yang dihasilkan dengan cast iron ataupun wheel besi biasa. Antara kelebihannya ialah ia menawarkan penggunaan bahan yang lebih baik, mengurangkan keluaran karbon dioksida, meningkatkan keselamatan, memanjangkan hayat komponen suspension dan brake, serta menawarkan pemanduan yang lebih selesa. Korang tahu tak? Ada banyak manufaktur yang menghasilkan wheel seperti jenama Vossen, BBS, Koenigsegg dan ADV. Setiap manufaktur menghasilkan konvensional dan advanced material untuk dipasarkan di seluruh dunia. Bagi jenama Vossen dan BBS, mereka menggunakan aluminium alloy untuk konvensional material, manakala Koenigsegg dan ADV menggunakan magnesium. Bagi advanced material pula, Vossen menggunakan aluminium alloy dan BBS tetap menggunakan magnesium. Bagi Koenigsegg dan ADV pula, mereka memilih untuk menggunakan carbon fiber. Carbon fiber.
So this is our air core carbon fiber wheel for the Regera. It has a new design, as you can see, from the Agera type carbon fiber wheel. The Agera carbon fiber wheel, the air core wheel, was the world's first homologated hollow carbon fiber structure wheel. We've been doing that now for three years with great success. It saved a lot of weight and improved performance and gives a very unique look, and we're very proud of this technology as it's still extremely unique and the only one on the market.
Apa perbezaan performance aluminium, magnesium dan carbon fiber? Kau tahu? Kau tahu?
I don't know.
Wheel aluminium lebih kuat dan tahan lama berbanding wheel magnesium yang susah untuk dihasilkan. Untuk magnesium pula, ianya lebih ringan berbanding aluminium dan besi biasa, sehingga rim yang bersaiz 19 hanya 10 kilo sahaja. Damn! Untuk harganya, ianya lebih mahal berbanding aluminium biasa kerana cara pembuatan dan teknologi untuk menghasilkannya sangat susah, kerana ia dapat menyerap haba lebih baik berbanding aluminium. Ia biasanya digunakan untuk kereta mewah seperti BMW, Mercedes-Benz dan Audi. Kalau carbon fiber pula lebih ringan berbanding magnesium biasa dengan saiz yang sama, iaitu 19, tetapi dengan berat yang berbeza, iaitu 7.5 kilo sahaja. 2.5 kilo lebih ringan berbanding magnesium yang biasa. Ia biasanya digunakan untuk kereta racing dan super mewah seperti Lamborghini, Ferrari, McLaren dan Bugatti, kerana ia dapat gains getaran dan bunyi bising serta harganya yang terlampau tinggi sehingga boleh mencecah $100,000 US. Kalau anda seorang jutawan, wheel mana yang anda akan beli?
Okay.
Terima kasih kerana menonton video saya. Like, komen dan share video ini jika ia bermanfaat. Saya Fazlul Azim. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Hazim bin Hamid. My matric number BVA2124. I will talk about transmission comparison for 4 type of car: Audi A8, Ferrari FS90, McLaren 720S, Porsche 718 Boxster. What is the transmission type that the car use? Audi A8 is use automatic transmission. Ferrari FS90 is use automatic transmission. McLaren 720S is use dual clutch automatic transmission. And Porsche 718 Boxster is use manual transmission. How much transmission speed for each car? For Audi A8, is 8 speed, Ferrari FS90 8 speed, McLaren 720S 7 speed, Porsche 718 Boxster 6 speed. About the advantage, Audi A8. Audi like blend of athleticism and ride comfort. For Ferrari FS90, all that power under the hood translate into blistering acceleration. McLaren 720S has unrivaled chassis turning, and Porsche 718 Boxster adaptive dam system and an available torque vectoring rear differential. For the availability, Audi A8 have convenience and technological innovation. Ferrari FS90, it sports a plug-in hybrid powertrain. McLaren 720S have the performance of a Formula One race car. Porsche 718 Boxster have trio of turbocharged flat force and a pair of terrific transmissions. About the price, Audi A8 is $86,195. Ferrari FS90 $507,000. McLaren 720S $315,000. And Porsche 718 Boxster is $60,950. About the maintenance, Audi A8 is complimentary maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles. Ferrari FS90 complimentary scheduled maintenance covers 7 years or unlimited miles. McLaren 720S is no complimentary scheduled maintenance. And last, for Porsche 718 Boxster, complimentary maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles. That's all about transmission comparison. Thank you.
Next, let's discuss about the comparison of vehicle steering system. Basically, the main function of steering system is to allow the driver to safely and precisely steer the vehicle. Beyond this, the steering system also provides a way to reduce driver effort by making the act of steering the vehicle easier. Our comparison will be focused on technology difference, performance, practicality, and maintainability. As we all know that there are three types of steering system, which is manual steering, hydraulic power steering, and the advanced steering, which is electronic power steering. Let's compare the steering system by technology differences. First, the mechanical or manual steering system. The force that you apply to the wheel by turning applied over the radius of steering wheel, which allows the steering wheel to act as a lever and to increase the force applied to the steering shaft. The steering shaft in turn uses the force extracted on it by the steering wheels to act as the input for the steering gearbox. The steering gearbox also converts the rotary motion of the steering wheel and shaft into a linear or back and forth motion that moves the wheels. Okay? Its difference when it comes to hydraulic power steering. Hydraulic power steering system is the next generation of steering system whereby hydraulic assist system use a barrel-driven pump to supply pressure to piston in the steering rack, which can create more power in this system to turn the wheel. At the same time, less effort needed by the driver to steer the vehicle. And we look for electronic power steering system. EPS system is next improvement from the hydraulic power steering system. Okay? It uses electrical and electronic principles or technology to steer the vehicle. At the same time, increase the fuel efficiency of the vehicle. Since all the system are different from technology, so their performance also will be different. When we look into the system performance, two things that we have to take concern. First, steering ability of the driver and the vibration of steering wheel during driving on uneven road. Next, we look into a manual steering system. Since a manual steering system is fully built up from mechanical components, so ability of driver to steer the vehicle is more, where the driver needs more effort to steer the vehicle. And the vibration, excessive vibration can be felt by the driver during driving on uneven road. This is where quite difference when come to power steering, hydraulic power steering system, where the system is fully powered by hydraulic fluids. Okay? So in this system, the effort, the need by the driver to steer the vehicle is more or less compared to manual steering system. But the vibration that feel during uneven road will be still the same. But here comes the technology advancement where these two problems can be sorted out by the EPS steering system, whereby this system using electronic control module, drive motor to drive the steering system rack and pinion mechanism. So here, effort needed by the driver to steer the vehicle is more or less compared to hydraulic power steering and also mechanical power steering. And also, the vibration felt by the driver during driving on uneven road is more or less compared to the other steering systems. Let's see the practicality of this steering system. Basically, the manual steering, hydraulic power steering, and electronic power steering are practical in providing the basic function of steering system. But according to the advancement technology in the drivetrain system, electronic power steering system is more practical by using electrical component. This system gives better handling experience to the driver compared to the hydraulic power steering system, which gives moderate handling, and the mechanical steering system with quite hard handling experience. Apart from that, EPS or electronic power steering system also with the electronic control unit can change its mode according to the road condition, whereby during this situation, driver do not have to hold the steering very tightly because this control unit can control the steering rack according to the condition of road. Lastly, let's look into the maintainability factor, the way of maintenance. Okay? The hydraulic power steering system requires more maintenance, like frequent power steering fluid change, power steering fluid leaking issues, or power steering pump maintenance. When we take mechanical steering system, the maintenance need is less because it's fully mechanical, but the maintenance required by the wear and tear component in the system, like coupling bush, rubber boot, ball joint, etc. In the EPS system, the need of regular maintenance is very less compared to the two other systems, but the maintenance needed when there is a fault in the system. But maintenance or repairing costs will be quite expensive compared to other steering systems because the components of these systems are fully electrical and are really precise.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Nur Hafizuddin bin Muhammad dan nama metrik saya itu VB19028. Hari ini saya akan membuat perbandingan suspension pada 4 jenis kenderaan. Yang pertama Proton S70, yang kedua Toyota Crown, yang ketiga Audi A8 dan yang terakhir Ferrari SF90. Jadi Proton S70 menggunakan front suspension iaitu jenis McPherson strut dan bagi rear suspension pula ia menggunakan multi-link. Bagaimana ia berfungsi? Sistem McPherson strut menggunakan alat axis of telescoping damper sebagai steering pivot atas bahagian atas hub akan dipasang dengan ketat ke bahagian dalam strap. Jadi bahagian luarnya akan memanjang ke atas terus ke casing kenderaan. Kelebihannya, ianya lebih murah, ringan dan menggunakan ruang yang sedikit. Kos, ianya RM sebanyak RM2,000 Malaysia dan ia lebih murah berbanding dengan double wishbone dan multilink. Servis, kita perlu menggantikan komponen yang gagal berfungsi dengan baik dan perlu diservis. Seterusnya multilink. Bagaimana ia berfungsi? Multilink berfungsi dengan operasi shock absorber elektromagnetik daripada cecair atau udara. Ia menggunakan transducer dengan magnet yang kuat. Arahan dari unit kawalan elektrik dibekalkan ke magnet. Kerana shock absorber elektromagnetik mengubah ketegaran, pelepasan kenderaan dan keboleh kendalian. Kelebihannya, ianya mempunyai kestabilan lateral yang sangat baik dan kehausan tayar yang rendah dengan pergerakan roda lateral yang minimum. Kos, multilink adalah 2 atau 3 kali ganda lebih tinggi daripada konvensional semi-link kerana menggunakan banyak encel, lever dan style block. Servis, jika kereta mula menghentak di bahagian hadapan atau belakang, anda perlu melihat keadaan tuas dan line style block. Sekiranya terdapat tindak balas yang kurang baik, ianya harus diganti. Seterusnya Toyota Crown. Toyota Crown menggunakan front suspension jenis double wishbone dan rear suspension iaitu multilink. Bagaimana ia berfungsi? Apabila membelok, putaran torque akan dihasilkan dalam arah toe out. Apabila tie rod dan rigidity dikurangkan dalam keadaan ini, kesan yang dihasilkan akan membawa tayar sedikit ke arah toe out. Jadi pergerakan toe out yang sedikit akan menghalangkan kenderaan daripada terlalu sensitif terhadap permukaan jalan dan menstabilkan kenderaan ketika membelok. Kelebihannya, ianya tidak menjejaskan wheel alignment dan memberi keselesaan yang baik. Kos, anggaran kos untuk suspension double wishbone adalah sebanyak RM2,000 Malaysia dan ianya juga bergantung pada jenama dan jenis kenderaan. Servis, bagi kos penyelenggaraan dan alat ganti, suspension double wishbone lebih mahal daripada McPherson strap. Seterusnya Audi A8. Audi A8 menggunakan predictive active suspension. Bagaimana ia berfungsi? Sistem active suspension sepenuhnya dengan pergerakan elektromekanik secara berterusan dan mengendalikan ketinggian perjalanan dan mampu menaikkan atau menurunkan badan kereta dari kedudukan pusat secara automatik. Kelebihannya, ia akan memberi keselesaan dan prestasi yang baik ketika membelok. Kos, ianya sebanyak RM26,000 kerana sistem ini menggunakan 48 volt elektrik dan membolehkan kereta bergerak untuk jangka masa yang panjang. Servis, ianya perlu memastikan sistem hidrolik dalam keadaan yang baik. Seterusnya, Ferrari SF90. Ia menggunakan front suspension jenis independent dan multilink. Dan bagi rear suspension pula, ianya juga menggunakan independent dan multilink. Bagaimana ia berfungsi? Kos, ianya lebih mahal berbanding dengan suspension yang sebelumnya. Servis, Ferrari Premium adalah program penyelenggaraan baru yang dirancang untuk memastikan kereta Ferrari dalam keadaan sempurna dan mempunyai prestasi yang baik. Sekian daripada saya. Jadi, suspension apakah yang anda akan pilih? Terima kasih.